India's official currency rupee has dropped 51 paise to an all-time low of rupees 77.41 against the US dollar in early trade. Meanwhile, the Congress has already started taking digs at the centre and the Prime Minister Modi over the falling value of the rupee and said that the Prime Minister must focus on managing the economy and not headlines.
So the Indian currency extended its losses and touched an all-time low of 77.4 against the US dollar on Monday's early trade that was weighed down by the strength of the US dollar. In the overseas market, the foreign fund outflows and the fall in the domestic equities, while the US dollar continued with its rally amid risk aversion in the global markets and the surge that happened in the US Treasury fields.
Meanwhile, we have seen as to how the Congress has also now come out and also hit out at the centre for stating that the centre must concentrate more on the economy and also the falling rupee rates instead of managing the headlines. The Indian currency, remember, extended its losses and also touched an all-time low of 77.42 against the US dollar in Monday's early trade, weighing down the strength of the US dollar in the overseas market, foreign fund outflows and also the fall in the domestic equities. The market sentiments were hurt as investors are concerned over the surging inflation rates, the monetary policy tightening across major countries in the globe, the economic slowdown and the escalating geopolitical tensions as well.
So we are looking at a situation where also a hike by the RBI has not been able to stem the rupee's decline as a widening current account deficit amplifies the concerns there. So Karishma with us with more details. Karishma, the rupee is expected to depreciate even further today amid the firm dollar and a very pessimistic global market.
Well, yes, and India's official currency rupee dropped 51 paise to an all-time low of rupees 77.41 against the dollar in the early trade. And once again, the Congress made it an opportunity to take digs at the centre and the Prime Minister over the falling value of rupee and said that PM should focus on managing economy and not headlines. So once again, this issue of rupee falling to an all-time low against the US dollar has been politicized, and we are expecting new developments as far as this particular matter is concerned.
All right. Thank you, Karishma, for getting us that update.